Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to make a GIF from a video quickly and easily. There are many tools available to create GIFs from videos, but the one I recommend is Giphy. Giphy is a free platform that allows you to make and store GIFs on both mobile and desktop. You can also share them easily or even get them featured on platforms like Instagram if you apply for a brand or artist account. I will show you how to create a GIF using both the Giphy mobile app and the desktop website. Start by opening the Giphy app. You will see trending GIFs on the home screen. At the down right corner, tap Create. You can either record a new GIF using your phone's camera or import a video from your device. Tap the Import button at the bottom left to select a video. Once your video is loaded, you can choose between creating a GIF, a sticker, or animated text. Make sure GIF is selected. You can also apply filters by swiping across the bottom, but I will keep it simple. On iPhones, there is an extra feature that allows you to remove the background and overlay yourself onto a trending GIF. If you want to try that, tap the background removal button. Now, to record a simple GIF, press and hold the record button. After recording, you can trim the clip by tapping the scissors icon at the bottom. Adjust the start and end times to focus on the key moment. Next, crop or resize the GIF. Tap the crop icon in the top right. You can choose different aspect ratios like 1 or 9:16, depending on where you want to use the GIF. You can also zoom in and reposition the frame. To add text, tap the 2A's icon. Type your message, choose a font style and tap Done. You can move, rotate and resize the text to fit your design. If needed, you can also add stickers, effects and layers from the menu below. When you are happy with your GIF, tap the arrow in the bottom corner. To save it, tap on your screen to copy it to your phone's clipboard. You can then paste it into a message or social media app. If you want to upload it to Giphy, you will need to create a free account. You can also tap Share GIF to save it as a video or GIF file directly to your device. Now, let's look at how to create a GIF on a computer. Go to giphy.com. On the home page, click Create in the top right corner. You can upload a video file, add an image sequence, or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link. Click Choose File, select your video, and upload it. On desktop, you will need to log into a free Giphy account before continuing. Once logged in, adjust the start time and duration of the GIF. Then, click Continue to create. Unlike the mobile app, the desktop version does not allow cropping. However, you can still add text, stickers, and effects. Click Captions to add text, choose a style, and position it on the GIF. You can also change the colors and animation effects. When you are finished, click Continue to upload. Choose whether to make the GIF public or private, add tags, and set a content rating. Then, click Upload to Giphy. Once uploaded, you can download the GIF in different file sizes or as an MP4 video. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.